everyone! This is John Neri from Isuzu. And welcome to another edition of Isuzu Motor Minutes. Considering the current economic situation, many businesses are looking for reliable partners. Somebody that can provide them with a wise investment that they can use for a long time, giving utmost profitability. And as your responsible partner, we are always up to the challenge to provide you with timely products that would answer your business needs. Join me as I walk you through another one of our business solutions, our latest affordable variants of the new Isuzu E-Series tractor head model. We have here our new EXR 77H 6-wheeler tractor head and the new EXZ 77N 10-wheeler tractor head that is running on the new 6UZ1 TCG50 Blue Power engine na may 380 PS maximum power at 1,765 Nm of maximum torque and is Euro 5 compliant, perfect for any logistics and long-hauling business. For businesses requiring engine specifications, we also offer the EXZ52N, which runs on a 6WZ1 TCG51 Blue Power engine with a maximum power of 460 PS and maximum torque of 2,050 Nm. Both these engine models are paired with ZF16-speed multi-stage transmission na designed to boost fuel economy and proven to be durable and reliable on road. Ang EXR 77H ay isa sa pinaka-powerful truck that we offer today, na may gross vehicle weight na 18 tons at gross combination mass na 45 tons. Ang EXZ 77N naman ay may gross vehicle weight na 24.9 tons at gross combination mass na 60 tons. Ang EXZ 52N naman ay may GVW na 25 tons at GCM na 60 tons. With these specifications, you can be assured that these trucks are built for heavy-duty operations. Katulad ng ibang E-Series variants, ang EXR at EXC77 ay merong wide illumination headlamp for better driving visibility, quick access front panel for easy maintenance and daily inspection, at easy-to-operate na electronic tilting cab. These variants also offer easy ingress and egress. Meron siyang multiple steps at assist grip for both the drivers and passenger side. Sa loob ng cabin, spacious at ergonomic ang setup. Meron siyang air suspension seats, power steering na may tilt and telescopic adjustment for easy maneuvering and added driver's comfort. Easy to read ang kanyang multi-information display instrument panel na ngayon ay meron pang LED screen for fuel echo reading, odometer, at average speed data. Very important din ang kanyang full air brake pressure meter indicator for drivers monitoring. Other comfort feature includes radio system, air conditioning, at multiple storage compartment. Both the EXR and EXZ77 variants runs on a 295 by 80 R22.5 radial tires. Full air type ang kanyang service braking system na meron pang ABS o anti-lock braking system for added safety, eliminating wheel lock-up. As with any heavy-duty trucks, napaka-importante ng chassis. Kaya naman, ang E-Series trucks ay dinesigned with heavy-duty reinforced chassis frame that can withstand heavy loads, rugged road condition, at long hours of operation. Meron din itong tapered lift suspension system na designed for heavy cargo loading, making sure that your precious cargo can be delivered anywhere in the country. As the #1 truck brand in the country, Isuzu provides not just quality products, but excellent after-sales service. Our clients can enjoy free drivers and mechanics training. Add to that, our expert Japanese truck engineers are available to assist you to any technical and customization requirements. We also have more than 40 dealerships all over the country with mobile medic trucks that can reach you even on far-flung areas, so you can be assured of nationwide parts and service assistance. With all these new features and after-sales support, You might be thinking that this truck would cost more, but not these variants. As mentioned, we at Isuzu are always thinking of providing you with the best business solutions, especially at this very challenging time. These units are priced competitively against second-hand and China trucks. Price range for the new Isuzu EXR 77H, EXZ77N, and EXZ52N can be found on the description box. You may also call the nearest Isuzu dealership to discuss about your business requirements and request for a complete quotation. For those who want to inquire at the convenience of their home or office, check out our website's digital dealer page and talk to us via Facebook, Zoom, Skype, and Teams. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to get the latest news about our products and promotions. That is all for now in this episode. See you guys next time as we bring to you more of Isuzu's durable and reliable business solutions.